Gauteng police have launched an urgent manhunt for a man known only as John, who is wanted in connection with the brutal murder of 30-year-old Olorato Mongale. Authorities suspect the man may be linked to a wider pattern of gender-based violence in the province. According to the National Police spokesperson Brigadier Glenda Mate, Mongale was last seen alive on Sunday afternoon when she was picked up by John from her residential complex in Athol, Johannesburg. He was driving a white VW Polo bearing a cloned number plate LT57JGGP that is officially registered to a Toyota Hilux. Investigations have revealed that the man drove Mongale through Alexandra, murdering her between Alexandra and Lombardy West. Her body was discovered at around 5 p.m., less than 2 hours after she was reported missing. Thanks to swift action from law enforcement and assistance from community members, Mongale's personal belongings, including mobile phone and handbag, were later discovered in queue, suggesting a possible attempt by the suspect to mislead investigators. Preliminary evidence indicates that the suspect may not have acted alone. Mate said we are following strong leads suggesting he was accompanied by another man at the time of the murder. The case has drawn chilling parallels to another recent incident. On 8 May, the body of a 39-year-old woman was found dumped on Catherine Street in Sandton. Sandton police are now probing possible connections between the two killings. Just last week, Gauteng authorities apprehended a 24-year-old man in Limpopo who used a fake Facebook profile to lure a woman under false pretenses. The victim, 28, was kidnapped and raped multiple times before being rescued at a Giyani filling station. The suspect is currently in custody and has appeared in the Bolobedu Magistrates Court on charges of kidnapping and rape. Mate said these cases are not isolated. Our investigative teams are working tirelessly to solve these heinous crimes and bring the perpetrators to justice. Police are urging the public, particularly women, to be on high alert. The white VW Polo with the cloned registration remains at the center of investigation. Mate said always inform someone of your whereabouts when meeting new people or going on dates. Prioritize meeting in public areas and never in scheduled locations. Authorities are calling on anyone with information about the suspect or the vehicle to come forward immediately as the province battles a rising tide of gender-based violence. Law enforcement has reaffirmed its commitment to protecting vulnerable communities and ensuring justice for victims like Olorato Mongale. The Economic Freedom Fighters is also shattered by the news. They released a statement on their X platform. The statement reads as follows: The Economic Freedom Fighters in Gauteng is deeply outraged and heartbroken by the brutal murder of 30-year-old Olerato Mongale, a student at Wits, whose life was tragically taken on the 25th of May 2025. Olerato was last seen entering a white VW Polo with a donned number plate LT57JG-GP, reportedly driven by a man known only as John, who is now the subject of a police manhunt. Through the vigilance of a friend who tracked her movements via cell phone and the assistance of community members who witnessed the suspicious vehicle dumping a large object near a local dump site. Olerato's lifeless body was discovered less than 2 hours later. She had been discarded in a black refuse bag in Lombardy West, Johannesburg. It is undoubtedly clear that this was a premeditated act of murder. The perpetrator, for reasons yet to be established, deliberately targeted Olerato, used a cloned number plate to conceal his identity, and led her with the intention to kill. The calculated nature of the heinous act demands the highest level of urgency and seriousness from law enforcement agencies and society at large. This is the harrowing reality faced by women in South Africa when the GBV and femicide are perpetrated by a cruel and entitled man who are seldom brought to justice. The scourge of GBV continues to ravage our communities, while the government, particularly the police, the NPA, and the judiciary, has consistently failed to protect women and children and to remove perpetrators from our streets. The EFF calls upon the South African Police Service to intensify their efforts in local and apprehending this murderer without delay. We also urge members of the public to come forward with any information that may assist in the investigation. The EFF in Gauteng extends its heartfelt condolences to the Mongale family and stands in unwavering solidarity with all victims of GBV. We reaffirm our commitment to fight for a society where women can live free from violence, fear, and systematic neglect. Hashtag justice for Olerato Mongale. Hashtag end GBVF now. May her soul rest in peace. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.